The war against Ravana. Hanuman played a crucial role in Rama's battle against Ravana. He fought fiercely against Ravana's forces, retrieved the life-saving herb, Sanjeevani, to revive Lakshmana, supported the Vanara army with his immense strength. When Ravana was finally defeated and Sita was rescued, Hanuman continued to serve Rama faithfully. ****3. Post-Ramayana life. ***Refusal to accept rewards. When Rama offered him a reward, Hanuman humbly declined, saying his only desire was to serve him. To test Hanuman's devotion, Sita gave him a priceless necklace. Hanuman, in response, tore it apart, searching for Rama's name inside. This act proved his unmatched devotion, bhakti. Encounter with Bhima, Mahabharat connection. During the events of the Mahabharat, Hanuman met Bhima, one of the Pandavas. Since both were sons of Vayu, they were brothers. Hanuman, disguised as an old monkey, tested Bhima's strength by challenging him to lift his tail. Bhima failed, realizing Hanuman's true power. Granting Arjuna the flag of victory. Hanuman also blessed Arjuna by appearing on his chariot's flag during the Kurukshetra war, protecting him and Krishna. ***4. Hanuman's ultimate fate, death or immortality. The boon of immortality. According to Hindu beliefs, Hanuman is one of the Chiranjeevi, immortals, who live until the end of time. Lord Rama himself granted him immortality, saying he would remain on earth as long as people recite Rama's name. Legends of his later appearances. Many devotees believe that Hanuman is still present in the world, appearing to true devotees in times of need. Some stories claim that he resides in the Himalayas, meditating and watching over dharma. Return to Rama's abode, Vaikuntha, in some traditions. Some scriptures suggest that when Lord Rama ended his earthly journey, Hanuman chose to stay behind but promised to return to Vaikuntha, Vishnu's heavenly abode, when the world no longer needed him. ***5. Hanuman's worship and influence today. Hanuman is worshipped across India, with many temples dedicated to him. His qualities of strength, devotion, and humility inspire millions. Devotees chant the Hanuman Chalisa, believing it grants strength and protection. Symbolism. Strength and courage. Hanuman represents physical and mental power. Devotion and loyalty. His dedication to Rama is a model for selfless service. Wisdom and humility. Despite his immense power, he remains humble. Conclusion. Hanuman's story is one of divine service, courage, and devotion. From his miraculous birth to his legendary feats in the Ramayana and Mahabharata, he remains one of Hinduism's most beloved figures. Whether considered immortal or residing in spiritual realms, Hanuman's influence continues to inspire countless devotees. His legacy teaches the importance of faith, selfless love, and unwavering strength in the face of adversity.